I'm Alex Eaton, co-founder and CEO of Sistema.bio. There's probably about 500 million smallholder farms where just over 2 billion people live. So that's about 1 in 3 people on Earth. And if you think about the people most likely to be poor, to go to bed hungry, to lack access to energy, the cross-section is at the smallholder farm. Sistema.bio serves small farmers by providing them infrastructure, products, and then training and financing to acquire those products. What our core product does is allows farmers on their farm to take all their waste, organic waste, cow manure and other things, turn it into a natural gas that they can use for cooking, running farm machinery, and then the output is now this really high quality organic fertilizer. And they can use that to displace chemical fertilizer, sinks carbon into their soil and improve their yields. We can generally help a farmer within the first year improve their yields by 20 to 40%, and that steadily increases over time, because what we're doing is adding carbon, really improving the nitrogen and nutrient profile of the soil over time.